All bioidentical hormones come from nature. They come from the Mexican yam, actually. They're not synthetic, they're not created by human hands, if you will, in a laboratory. Then that hormone is brought to a laboratory and made to look exactly like the hormone that your body produces. There are various ways to administer bioidentical hormones. Let's take women, for example. There's pellet therapy that's been around for decades. A transdermal, or something you can rub into your skin every day as a route of administration. There are injectables. We don't really use oral hormones because we don't want them to pass through the liver. The only oral hormone that we use is progesterone at night for women who have sleep issues. And the breakdown product of progesterone facilitates that breakdown product to be able to pass through the blood-brain barrier, get to the area of the brain to calm the brain down. And that's why women start developing sleep issues right around age 40.